The Japanese Peace Pagoda, or Rumassala Peace Pagoda, is a Buddhist temple located near Unawatuna, Sri Lanka, symbolizing peace and unity. Constructed in 2005 by Mahayana Buddhist monks from Japan, the temple represents harmony among all people. Its clean and rounded design reflects the pagoda's purpose and embodies Buddhist core values of unity and compassion. The temple aims to promote peace and understanding in Sri Lanka, especially during times of conflict. Visitors can enjoy scenic views of the surrounding landscapes, including the famous Gal Fort. It is important for visitors to dress respectfully, covering their legs and shoulders as the site is considered sacred. The Japanese Peace Pagoda is a testament to the monks' commitment to building peace temples in conflict-affected areas. It provides an opportunity for visitors to connect with their spirituality and the teachings of Buddhism. Easily accessible to locals and tourists, the pagoda is located near Unawatuna in Sri Lanka. Visiting the Japanese Peace Pagoda offers a tranquil atmosphere for self-reflection and contemplating the significance of global peace and unity.
Namyo Horenge Kyo. This Japanese temple. My name Upali Tero. This my teacher Koji. This all the Japanese.
Or Rumassala Peace Pagoda, is a Buddhist temple built by Mahayana monks from Japan in 2005 near Unawatuna, Sri Lanka. The temple promotes peace and unity among all people and has become an important landmark for encouraging peace and understanding in Sri Lanka. Visitors can enjoy the beautiful views and peaceful atmosphere while respecting the temple's sacred nature.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Ikman, ikman.